Brain Care presents 12 foods to boost brain function. Brain foods are those that are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. They provide your brain with energy and aid in protecting brain cells, which helps ward off development of brain diseases. A number of important hormones and neurotransmitters are created in the gut and are then able to enter the brain, which influences cognitive abilities, such as understanding and processing new information, plus memory and concentration. This means that a well-functioning gut is essential for sending the brain the kind of chemical signals that help us functioning at our best. The foods we eat can have a big impact on the structure and health of our brains. Eating a brain-boosting diet can support both short and long-term brain function. The brain is an energy-intensive organ, using around 20% of the body's calories, so it needs plenty of good fuel to maintain concentration throughout the day. A poor quality diet can cause our bodies to release more inflammatory cytokines, which studies show can contribute to inflammation that can wind up damaging the brain. While inflammation helps protect us against illnesses and repairs the body when you do something like cut yourself, chronic inflammation is a different animal. It's been linked to a number of mental/cognitive conditions, including dementia, cognitive impairment and Alzheimer's disease, among other age-related issues. The brain also requires certain nutrients to stay healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, help build and repair brain cells, and antioxidants reduce cellular stress and inflammation, which are linked to brain aging and neurodegenerative disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. This article explores the scientific evidence behind 12 of the best brain foods. Number 1. Oily fish. Oily fish contains omega-3 that can help boost brain health. Oily fish are a good trusted source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help build membranes around each cell in the body, including the brain cells. They can, therefore, improve the structure of brain cells called neurons. A 2017 study trusted source found that people with high levels of omega-3s had increased blood flow in the brain. The researchers also identified a connection between omega-3 levels and better cognition, or thinking abilities. These results suggest that eating foods rich in omega-3s, such as oily fish, may boost brain function. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you may wish to add seeds like flaxseed, hemp and chia to your diet, or consider a plant-based omega-3 supplement from microalgae. If you are considering taking a supplement, speak to your GP first. It's worth remembering that vegetarian or vegan moms-to-be, or those who are breastfeeding, should consider a supplement because of the important role omega-3 fats play in the development of the central nervous system of your baby. Examples of oily fish that contain high levels of omega-3s include salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines. People can also get omega-3s from soybeans, nuts, flaxseed, and other seeds. Essential fatty acids, EFAs, can't be made by the body, which means they must be obtained through food. The most effective omega-3 fats occur naturally in oily fish in the form of EPA and DHA. Good plant sources include flaxseed, soybeans, pumpkin seeds, walnuts and their oils. These fats are important for healthy brain function, the heart, joints and our general well-being. Although studies are at an early stage, there is some suggestion that adequate amounts of omega-3 fats in your diet may help to relieve depression. Number 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains cocoa, also known as cacao. Cacao contains flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. Antioxidants are especially important for brain health, as the brain is highly susceptible to oxidative stress, which contributes to age-related cognitive decline and brain diseases. Cacao flavonoids seem to be good for the brain. According to a 2013 review trusted source, they may encourage neuron and blood vessel growth in parts of the brain involved in memory and learning. They may also stimulate blood flow in the brain. Some research also suggests that the flavonoid component of chocolate may reverse memory problems in snails. Scientists have yet to test this in humans. However, a 2018 study in humans also supports the brain-boosting effects of dark chocolate. The researchers used imaging methods to look at activity in the brain after participants ate chocolate with at least 70% cacao. The researchers concluded that eating this type of dark chocolate may improve brain plasticity, which is crucial for learning, and may also provide other brain-related benefits. Number 3. Berries. Like dark chocolate, many berries contain flavonoid antioxidants. Research suggests that these may make the berries good food for the brain. Antioxidants help by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. The antioxidants in berries include anthocyanin, caffeic acid, catechin, and quercetin. Notes that the antioxidant compounds in berries have many positive effects on the brain, including improving communication between brain cells, reducing inflammation throughout the body, increasing plasticity, which helps brain cells form new connections, boosting learning and memory, reducing or delaying age-related neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are abundant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, healthy unsaturated fats that have been linked to lower blood levels of beta-amyloid, the protein that forms damaging clumps in the brains of people with Alzheimer's disease. Try to eat fish at least twice a week, but choose varieties that are low in mercury, such as salmon, cod, canned light tuna, and pollock. If you're not a fan of fish, ask your doctor about taking an omega-3 supplement, or choose terrestrial omega-3 sources such as flax seeds, avocados, and walnuts. 5. Tea and coffee. The caffeine in your morning cup of coffee or tea might offer more than just a short-term concentration boost. In a 2014 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, participants with higher caffeine consumption scored better on tests of mental function. Caffeine might also help solidify new memories, according to other research. Investigators at Johns Hopkins University asked participants to study a series of images and then take either a placebo or a 200 mg caffeine tablet. More members of the caffeine group were able to correctly identify the images on the following day. 6. Whole grains. Like everything else in your body, the brain cannot work without energy. The ability to concentrate and focus comes from an adequate, steady supply of energy, in the form of glucose, in our blood, to the brain. Achieve this by choosing whole grains which have a low GI, which means they release their energy slowly into the bloodstream, keeping you mentally alert throughout the day. Eating too few healthy carbs, like whole grains, may lead to brain fog and irritability. Opt for brown whole grain cereals, granary bread, rice and pasta. Number 7. Egg. Certain B vitamins, B6, B12 and folic acid, are known to reduce levels of a compound called homocysteine in the blood. Elevated levels of homocysteine are associated with increased risk of stroke, cognitive impairment and Alzheimer's disease. A study of a group of elderly patients with mild cognitive impairment found that after 2 years of intervention with high doses of B6, B12 and folic acid there was significantly less brain shrinkage compared to a subset given placebo treatment. Other B vitamins including vitamins B1, B3 and choline play an important part in regulating normal brain function. Choline, which is rich in egg yolk, is essential for the memory-boosting brain chemical, acetylcholine. Opt for B-rich foods like eggs, chicken, fish, leafy greens and dairy. If you're vegan, look to fortified foods, including plant milks and breakfast cereals, for vitamin B12 or consider a supplement. Other useful vegan sources of B vitamins, including B6, include nutritional yeast, avocado, soya, nuts and seeds. Number 8. Avocados. While avocados often get a bad rep because of their high fat content, it's important to note that these green powerhouses are packed with monounsaturated fats or the good kind, which have been shown to lower rates of cognitive decline and keep blood sugar levels steady. Containing both vitamin K and folate, avocados help prevent blood clots in the brain, protecting against stroke, as well as help improve brain functions related to memory and concentration. They're also rich in vitamin B and vitamin C, which aren't stored in your body and need to be replenished daily. Plus, they have the highest protein and lowest sugar content of any fruit. Not too shabby. Avocado's creamy texture makes them a smart addition to smoothies and a replacement for fats in baked goods, or try these brain foods in one of these 50 amazing and easy avocado recipes. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Not all chocolate is created equal. In fact, dark chocolate can actually be very good for you. Chocolate is chock full of flavonols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show cocoa can increase cerebral blood flow and cerebral blood oxygenation, plus it can help lower blood pressure and oxidative stress in the brain and heart. But don't go wild munching on Hershey's Kisses just yet. Most of the chocolate you see on supermarket shelves is highly processed and is not considered a great food for the brain. The rule of thumb is the darker the chocolate, the more perks it offers. Skip milk and white chocolates, and opt for a minimally processed dark chocolate with at least 70% of cocoa. This ensures you'll get your cocoa fix and its brain benefits. Satisfy your sweet tooth with these dark chocolate almond butter cookies or chocolate-covered berries. Number 10. Extra virgin olive oil. Real extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is among the top recommended brain foods due to powerful antioxidants that it provides known as polyphenols, as well as healthy monounsaturated fats. It's a staple ingredient in the Mediterranean diet and the related MIND diet, which studies show are two eating patterns that are associated with cognitive benefits among older adults. Including EVOO in your diet may not only improve learning and memory, but also reverse the age and disease-related changes. The oil also helps fight against IDLs, proteins that are toxic to the brain and induce Alzheimer's. As great as extra virgin olive oil is, remember that it's not a good option for cooking, as it hydrogenizes and begins decomposing at high temperatures. The best way to get your fill is by having it cold or at room temperature. I love extra virgin olive oil as part of zucchini noodles with marinara sauce and quinoa tabbouleh salad. Number 11. Turmeric. Isn't it great when a simple spice has amazing benefits? That's the case with turmeric, an ancient root that's been used for its healing properties throughout history. Thanks to curcumin, a chemical compound found in turmeric, the spice is actually one of the most powerful, and natural, anti-inflammatory agents. Turmeric also helps boost antioxidant levels and keep your immune system healthy, while also improving your brain's oxygen intake, keeping you alert and able to process information. Talk about a super spice. Start your day with this brain food by consuming turmeric eggs and turmeric tea. For even more benefits, combine turmeric with black pepper to help improve absorption and with other spices like ginger and cinnamon for digestive and metabolic support. Number 12. Beets. Beets are root vegetables and some of the most nutritious foods for the brain that you can eat, considering they help reduce inflammation, are high in cancer-protecting antioxidants and help rid your blood of toxins. The natural nitrates in beets actually boost blood flow to the brain, helping with mental performance. Plus, during tough workouts, beets actually help boost energy and performance levels. Try them in this borscht recipe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out other videos as well. Thanks for watching.